What is climate change and why is it something that so many people fear?
Well, technically speaking, climate change is defined as significant and long-lasting change in Earth's climate and weather patterns. Thank you, Miriam Buster. I definitely owe you a big one.
But what does this actually mean? Climate is always changing, so why should we be afraid of it?
In the last decade, temperatures throughout Earth have risen about 1.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Although nice for those of us who like summer, this can mean that all life on Earth could eventually go extinct.
So what's the cause of all this?
Earth's atmosphere protects us from receiving ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays from the sun, but it does let in infrared rays and light rays from the sun, kindly providing us here on Earth light and heat. To quote the famous saying from some genius that I don't know the name of, what goes in must come out, meaning that heat can also escape, providing us the perfect balance. But not quite.
This cycle of using toxic gases has clouded our atmosphere.
These gases can be found in our atmosphere and are preventing heat from escaping.
That's why lots of environmental scientists call climate change the greenhouse effect.
But why do these gases let heat come to our planet and not let it escape?
Electromagnetic waves from the sun come into our atmosphere with short wavelengths. Therefore, they are able to pass through these gases in our atmosphere. Once they come into the Earth, they are absorbed by land and water and are later re-radiated back to space with longer wavelengths. This causes gases in our atmosphere to be able to trap the heat that they carry, containing everything on our planet.
Photons are quantum amounts of energy that are carried into the atmosphere by electromagnetic waves. When these photons collide with the electrons of the gases in the atmosphere, they get absorbed and cause the electrons to start vibrating because of the change in energy level. After a while, the atom can no longer carry the photon, so it emits the energy and changes shells again.
So the more gases in our atmosphere, the more heat that gets trapped.
Now you might think, but how is this going to affect me?
Us humans breathe in air and exhale carbon dioxide. Trees and plants, on the other hand, do the opposite. But a lot of people don't know that the ocean takes in about 1/3 of all carbon dioxide emissions, but at a cost. As the ocean absorbs carbon dioxide, it becomes more and more acidic. As the pH increases, many animals suffer because they can't survive in such acidic waters.
So not only is ocean life slowly becoming extinct, but also all 40% of us humans who depend on fish and other sources of food from the ocean as our main source of protein are in danger.
So what can we do to help?
Bike to work! Plant your own garden or use some solar energy.
Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Strike or protest.
But most importantly, spread your knowledge amongst your families, friends, and communities. And always keep in mind that we can do this together.
Climate change is real.
But so is climate justice.